Students, in this video, I will do question number 8 of exercise 6.3. Question is, find a point on the curve y is equal to x minus 2 whole square at which the tangent is parallel to the chord joining the points 2, 0 and 4, 4. Now we have got the chord joining these 2 points. We know how to find slope of a line joining 2 points. Slope will be y2 minus y1. So slope of chord will be equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So it is equal to y2 is 4, y1 is 0, x2 is 4, x1 is 2. So we have got 4 upon 2 and that is equal to 2. So it is the slope of this chord. Now equation of the curve. Equation of the curve is y is equal to x minus 2 whole square. You differentiate it with respect to x. So we will get a derivative of y will be dy by dx with respect to x, and it is of the form of x raised to power n. So it will be n x raised to power n minus 1. That is 2 into x minus 2 raised to power 1, and then derivative of x minus 2 will be 1. So it is dy by dx. Now tangent. Tangent is parallel to chord joining these 2 points. Now you know the parallel condition. What parallel condition is? So slopes of parallel lines are equal. So you have done that m1 is equal to m2. So it is the parallelism condition. So dy by dx will be equal to slope of the chord. Slope of the chord. Now dy by dx is 2 into x minus 2 and slope of the chord is 2, implies x minus 2 will be 2 upon 2, that is 1, implies x minus 2 is 1, implies take 2 to the other side, x is equal to 3. Now we have got x is equal to 3. If you put this value of x is equal to 3, let it be number 1 in 1, put in 1, we will get y is equal to 3 minus 2 square, implies y will be equal to 3 minus 2 is 1, 1 square is 1. So y we have got 1. Therefore required point is x comma y, that is 3 comma 1. So it is the required point. Next question is, find the equation of the tangent and normal to the given curves at indicated point. Curve is y is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0, 5. You have to find the equation of tangent and the normal. Now what we will do, the curve is given. Curve is y is equal to x raised to power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. Differentiated with respect to x, we will get dy by dx, and dy by dx is equal to derivative of x raised to power 4 will be 4x cube, derivative of minus 6x cube will be minus 18x square plus 13 2s are 26x minus 10, derivative of 10x will be 10 and derivative of 5 will be 0. So it is dy by dx. Now what we will do, we will find slope of the tangent at 0, 5. Now slope of tangent at 0, 5, that is dy by dx at 0, 5 is equal to, substitute this value, we will get 0 minus 0 plus 0 minus 10, and it is coming out to be minus 10. So it is the slope of the tangent at the given point. Now equation of tangent let it be number 1. Give it number 1. Now equation of tangent to 1 at 0, 5 is now equation of tangent when one point is given and slope we have, then equation is y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1. So y minus y1 is 5, slope is minus 10, and then x minus x1 is 0, implies y minus 5 is equal to minus 10x, implies take it to this side, 10x plus y, take 5 to the other side. So 10x plus y is equal to 5. So it is the equation of the tangent to 1 at the given point. Now we have to find equation of the normal. So first we need slope of the normal. Slope of normal at 0, 5. Slope of normal is minus 1 upon slope of tangent. Slope of tangent. Slope of tangent, which is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent is minus 10. So it is coming out to be 1 by 10. Therefore, equation of normal at 0, 5 is y minus y1 is equal to slope. Slope is now 1 by 10. Slope times x minus x1 is 0. Cross multiply. So 10y minus 50 is equal to x